Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with your friend Scott. So today we're checking out this neck fan. So this is color white. It comes in 3 different colors. So let's go ahead, show you guys what you get inside the box. So neck fans are great for summertime, just to cool off. I know neck fans are a big help for people with anxiety and hot flashes. So let's go ahead. Give you a little card here. They give you a charging cable, which is the Type-C, so you know it's updated. All right, manual here. So this is it. It looks like it's completely foldable. Oh, check that out. Look at this. That is awesome. Pretty cool. Yeah, so just like this, you would place it around your neck. You're good to go. Definitely, you know, after a run, after a jog, after working out, definitely help cool you off. But let's see the power. So you got right and left, so it would go this way. All right, so you got 3 modes. You have, or 4 if you count off. So you press it once. That's low. Press it again. That's medium. Press it again. That's high. Oh, wow. So you just adjust it to however you want. Well, that definitely cools you off. I mean, wow. And you can hold it like this. Wow. You can place it however you want. I mean, it's definitely got some power. Definitely going to keep you cool. Impressive. Impressive for being, you know, fairly small.